Need to go, Male. Male. Need to go, near Male can and wake a Indial, Quasame, Gurigano, be a latest watch, ko Guriana, Gurian Letka, Teloide Lunkaya. Berkamal, Mundo, and Wale, Barach, ke YouTube ka. Barach ke payout kan. Payout akan ka Facebook, chechet ke payout akan ka YouTube. Ken ke two different thing. But do not take me matke. Men matke mutual ke tax information. Any social media got a tax information. Ka kuja mo barach, ka do badan deran, there payout akande, there just set up ka je, ka Facebook. So chena goro just baying your third and lereja, but go be right and then I will just explain some of the benefit tin kondong deri jeka Facebook which I get monetized. Remember kondi alto kon ke Facebook ni. Ti Facebook ta ke Facebook, but problem ke Facebook you don't know how to get monetized. But you can't take a way out until right now. There are order. They don't monetize it and all that. But remember, Mela very important. We shall pay out our can. Pay out our can. I just go down and by you go back a jackton. Major shop. Catch you to go to a Facebook. Whether shall allow you to use a star. Whether shall allow you to use content monetization. Whether shall allow you subscription. Cause can do letke. A star lede long domu star I will explain a star on the mocha Facebook. Or can it contain legible, keram much legible. Sometimes they genial legible, cut chitika country down, kick and monetization, because these are the they can show no things which are allow ko don't they go dedicate before can we a big thing. Like big thing mutual content monetization. Kagwaze dan shwale instrument. But instrument ka Facebook charge you can check it out. Charge removed already. Ka Facebook. Right now, to commercial content monetization. But you deal monetize depending on your performance and content ka Facebook. So one thing me be keep in mind. Star which I jaggy, balaram mo chi video ni check on that jack star. You can make gift what make a Facebook la kon jack gift ne. Na mokel. Arode subscription. Which run subscribe ku share video nuku check no go no be video nuku baka mala nene. So by you to buy your pink a pie, baga your pin. So much pie ben by you baga your pin. Ko your $1 pin, ko your $2 pin. So by subscribe you go no by you baka mala jeka. Jan do badan and jeg ne ideal you ku jeka ka Facebook. No. Ko me dong cha nyu cha no content ku cha no kana bine to bu gilu ko bi ka your pink a pie. Alo share me gor kano share mala warranting, Becan video and Becan Malajik, they will be the first people to get your content, the content that you upload. And I mean one thing again and to work a subscription. More content monetization says star gore subscription gore. Jin kwa monetize ke video dani chalarich. Video mo nere share gwicha jan baji mo ke yoka jamo. Let's say don't check 1,000 people can view and video do down there they make $1 ke de jamo ke 50 cent defending ka o kane audience ko wejadien ko by the way temo don't can kono reale ka gwa. Ala payment kam ke ji Africa can payment dana kam ke ji Europe ke ji Asia ke ne to konti ko western world, let's just say western world. Payment den ke ji Africa are different. Payment Africa la kui along. Ala me jig real dollar gwad we mean that person to rar gwad me jig $2 ki $3 me jig $1. Jenta dan le deje. So me let kon ngaje no ala net ba nyin kon gwich ba yo kon ba yo tin ko wa ji Africa ken te ka de kon cholo te ka third world country ki fourth world country ki te kon pin bo like tele kon tel mu ko kon so ku jamo cha goro te ram mo dong de yang de do de je ka social media but by cha gen korar but mo ko kon mo tot but compared to ni kon tong mi cha yu cha ka pair okay number one thing will be remember so no money akel mi chana ben ko mi shaji ku monetize ku monetization shi ku nen ano cha ku jang monetization can anu ngaka right now you can gain money through your video, right? And then te one thing about it very important. Te ne want right now kwa subscription kwa je lose ken ko don charge jak subscription ka Facebook. Mi jin ku set up die. By you gagrar. Binana wal tomorrow about kodi te ga te kan realika. Te kan realika to these are the thing that I want to talk about. So go to jeno bingulel the payout can't be realika. Payout can be deal tarar shebetu wije dan dong men chugwa. Payada kan goro jeno bete which mugwa shit community de kolaro di Kenya, maybe I don't know Uganda, okay. So can this thing can dia wheat and control eligible. Again, go and be payada kan do be thing. So me jira you want to make money, right? So you need to do that. All right. So Michi ngaje no chi jina eligible te be jack ready. Cause the moment chi charge jack content monetization and etin content tela je Facebook temba leleken ba jaki the moment shinen kashi click kashi werech kashi rodo lo jok chi dera den dera contact but the point there no ko chicken mo ke chance remember there's a competition ka Facebook we mon keleu tene to goro de monetize but chi monetization chicken je ko the moment chai jak monetization chai jak yene di alto chai invite at once but chicken to motiba drop on gwad mo to shika ready can pay at can real can win you know then by you gakra and gwad mo chi doesn't know bila lim ni shang rodien raja Canadian contil eligible okay so number one thing a gorje on wajin be pay out account be easy like before a carry I mean can that chance can shop kuji ko shanga dana chi Facebook chi can allow and obi yobi kejek and then immediately mission and be you set up do that anyok mission ngajina pay out account je lady gorje no but deal but which min eligible when you know ka je Facebook ko ka tin country ni tin kono Africa as a continent take a wheat rate to cham monetize. South Sudan cham monetize, Ethiopia cham monetize, and I don't know about Uganda, but Kenya deal Kenya is allow. Amitiga Kenya ka take a number dun Kenya, and a bill at your Facebook, and a bill at Facebook, you know. Ko run mission monetization ke ben baje allow can. But me ram to guardi and especially in the corner kwaji use Ethiopia and South Sudan. No, telecon chance. Okay, chance. Chance no di we don't be jagrara di metike Kenya. This is a very important tip makam nje ye. Be camera metike Kenya be use. Ra mi akulogon ten. La network and dana ba login keje. The Facebook what the dana we can do no review ba jiga no location which are again. So your primary location but they allow which mitike Kenya but they allow which mitarar. But we are metike Ethiopia ke South Sudan charge ba allow can. It does not matter. Tike viewer shop kadi tike million viewers can ba allow ko country down titin see a country which allow de chula rodi Ethiopia can South Sudan teleka online payment teleka agreement ko de ka dollar de can jagrar ki de dollar they can receive online so no more teleje that is the one of the reason manana cha Ethiopia charge allow ko ba monetize you know again problem down to nothing but we have chance okay we still have chance chance dana wodi bana Facebook kon ba ka use ne tarar be doing be camera din tarar either be jimo ke sim card be using tongmi so ba login bro the log out gwa dan titin ka afrika me win mi shale jebo be user am mo there used throughout the day simple log ba login ko be location bro ko le get you know message and throughout the night there login there should tin on gwa mo okay I can use gwa their location there tin la jara mo then from there down the primary location there or gear you know key message and a mobile number agere aku confirm ke dungra army you know again tade men go along ka Facebook mo call right and order and pay ada kandere set up one no audience ni kon family ni ki relative ni ki fan kon ken dia te ka social media te ka Facebook again very important ka te ka Facebook ko te ka Facebook bana delete kan ban delete ka Facebook. So those are the thing jin ngaji je duob dan di pe ada kan di real keje. Okay. Someone is asking what about YouTube monetization? Is it possible to open Google AdSense before fulfilling requirements? Okay, thank you, brother. Good question. AdSense, shall AdSense, okay, Google AdSense. AdSense is a website. Alo shere ke bang gwa dana ku detail ku kala olatin. YouTube na me question ku YouTube. YouTube jen ko ja allow after charge jack charge jogono she charge accept and a monetization partner. Misha ja allow of you be Facebook jen dan dong de igula jogono be set up ko remember men chi de man lep ke right now odi. What if she sharo she oger alo she country misha jen she use ka jen don go jeno baji monetize ka chi jen country mo dan go la jan another 1 month 1 month more be inang bi kula baji kula allow you be country bi kula oger. So process ne ka bake. Okay, so that's why very important. She did it before I can allow. Okay, me she let's say she 3,000 watch hours she YouTube. Okay, then they can allow ko they set up. Tell a problem. Okay, another thing they ads and they set up if you are somebody into making money, right? Ano katika website me allow lo did you did of course they ads and they left there your website mo there link on there link again ads and so in case me chadu ni chamonta so they you could wait and jen chere your bank a bank do ni jen AdSense. Okay, so AdSense a bank do so she be set up gwad dan ngure ken ni shop be set up gwad dan ni shop charge allow ka Facebook ka YouTube and then you go direct to AdSense be direct babu e tong mi be chu lep ka jen email dan using shana bilar no dairy wait right now dairy lep ka jino can allow so chirmen tam chi de ka bank dairy lep ka tele yo no gore ya dairy lep gwada dan singa jino either chaja allow ka YouTube lo jira mo biyo bi ka to ka lene ke tika website misha allow ka monetization alo dairy yo de kula we ano cards and cause and tenen yan taken this website je yoten mi tika website mi kok ka charge access ka take content ko lesen kala ja share ka Facebook chire mena de example chular to kon kai radio to kon ka radio tamazuch to kon ka Sudan Post and to kon ka to wan to ko ken so can those websites are monetize kan dia so mi we ka lo chi ko kwen chi mala kana les kan ji ai radio kan las ka pedian wo bi click bu ka yubu kan ko lo jek so din ji kana connect bok kan ka AdSense right kon ku de me ko bi yubu kan ko lo mek bada kon quick contact down and let talk again. So far I tried chatting a website ni but ne kon chicken work a website again TikTok can Facebook so website chi useful ka kon at this time. Okay. Okay, how to accept request. Okay. Okay, just right now kon ka Facebook. Okay, just Facebook only. Let me allow one person madong le banana. Okay. So jen pe ada kan so mekeni ngache na me gorjeno bi bidu jok ka ngare du ka Facebook do you do that and miti ram de look outside the country either Kenya they jago there Facebook there you use go very important. Okay, no more agenda na gure ko there and pay out kan there jangach other issues ka Facebook and don't go and we did take care and go region yen brand betok the budget it no not your mouse no but your tax tax and gory baji baji muka violation keja Facebook she can tax dun kwede kana gor michi yo comment ka dun rara dien she kwede tin ngeda no baji lede baji muka warning mo mete ka Facebook do chaji ba allow michi tur michi kana gor michi la rajbo chika tur ko rishit ka ngune bai muka warning with the la yanang ron ki ruro ke chicken boy ke jibo kami chicken mo ke dot like that lo charge mo ke dot lo chicken mo ke rek lo charge mo ke violation and then rek member to gene ala Facebook cha ga jek like chi team di and chi ma right keke. They report, there are million of people reporting all these things, but chicken mala respond. A changi ga respond keji chaji bi mo ke exactly information dan gur liang de. La gur can be will member be huge and then be a palten. Agenta dan take. So beja math, okay, a very hard. But more the day right I estimate I think mala question beji come maybe solution. Though beji nang time di Ryan beji mo ke samling ling the toying with and beji report more about charge mal contact charge mal larmanda la rigdo chet ke face chet ke YouTube in YouTube definitely Misha take a problem which to okaji kati kajin part of the system kake bikena deal response mugur jarwaji kake jana gwa ka YouTube. So compared to Facebook, Facebook a very hard long no baji deal accepting jen beja long no jen ko ko go then it ngwane let ki YouTube, but ko you don't take ka Facebook so chicken YouTube chicken use okay, we can do the hard way, but remember I know by monetize be lar ko okay, not us cause need it akela jalar no baji invite teli le authority no ki duob dan deri lar ga je ko monetize chum no meken ken kon jack invitation akan ke invitation ba jaga jiji ka condition mishi kale kacha kana tele detail at that moment ba jere jaga dundu then babat bile tong ne nyok again bile len nyok, so that will be very hard, okay. So gorje no deri Facebook do deri jere aleka. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay. All right. So right now that is it. Agenda na go ready nyaka konkel ke kwipe da can. Anybody this day can make money on Facebook. But problem again country eligibility ke we dan sha kono go jeno de nyun konde monetize unless you come ne de kontra. Ngode tine ne te ngwanlung role Ethiopia chancel dande kular role Ethiopia tine na no de ka ke kume de kum de ra ji company ko ji company la ra ne na ke those day ke ta me da ne chi we try chi ngai yo na right now ti language dan take online ko Google, right. We tried no de language and there we ni already ne la lar kan de politician de kan mo de kan realika ko de kon take language mitika Google. Already right now we already have it, so you can even understand no me gor Google la talk gor no you create more content ka tungnat ba kula allow, and we did that and now it is working. Contribution mashallah da gan we ready. So metela kon content ga social media to ka tong na me na ne lat ke nying wer ne chiang ko online agor ko ba kon rang ka social media ki ka Google ki around the world ko be kon language dan beten gwadon batana chi can understand and work of ba do ba la online ye lengu they don't know, but ne titi can get policy language dun mi shi aja kit to dun mi shi aja kit ka shi aja la ne chiang no language tong nat ka tele content tele bong do gorian ka tong wer ka tele ye document le dien ka tele video le dien ka especially ka YouTube by allowing nobody chicken ye bunok ba gu no language dun matel ne rikar ke je we tried and right now it work already, which is amazing. Modabo we can go further go de con monetization de con jigwin ko ken to nothing malalel ke lungo mi changa je no yenti yen ka creator content creator win to 1 yen by any mean be can company to be ka prager ko be can be can country dun be can allow, but mitele ye quart dear ko kidun they will never care. So role South Sudan obaje allow go require big right company. Role Ethiopia go require big right company, not regional leader. No, just please big guys at the top there. They gonna allow to shit ke Abiy Ahmed Prime Minister Jaram Dan Dong de dialdi dekalat, not us, okay? Ka South Sudan no dio je medan chete ke musician ti chi we o right ke kim ya de content ken the copyright in the protect. That was one way ko then the country dun de allow ko diri yoku le jeka content kono ku create ko rien kon ke ko look and con jala larga, but mitien ke ka kwart ti dier kamandan le rode, so maybe a kwer mriang kuje media kuje technology tele menga about that ma tele way out ke ye biya ten gwa the already just there Burona baga jen gwa Burona baga jen gwa tele gwa biya woten especially country miteka role they try to monetize me don cause They do not know the benefit of that, but ne the content don't she they lar ne the content chi ngwak chi kan ngaj already, especially the content chi were chi ka were de ka chi ka yu kan je la cho bin ran bu shu den lo pin chi goro ne ko ken bi kan leli bi kan mo bi kan je jena daran je. Okay, so gur kono di bana awareness bana jetup ala contribution dan ka kon dial ne diality bo kon jago bana mu gane jen bana je bo kon ala ko ba kon exabo ne diale ko ken but mi chan roi dong mi chudwa jibu bi ne jin so wrong. Okay, gor jeno bana speak out bi kon do dan ne kon nyam ka je bana je guch ko ne kon mi chawo ne me take yo yes everybody be rode ti ko gor yo but ne tin let chi dor chi kana ngach la biran che gor bene ko ken ba nyon ran talk. Thank you migwak for Rose, thank you so much loete migwa so jen mission mo. Okay, and thank you mugwa she Jack Rose, thank you. So gor kon gech gor kon lan mugwa mde kon lat aran mo ra ka dor mo lat chemla kon chemen like kon alar no de ror mo ke project mo belat project mo be ikule nyong dor anyok project belad be bala project melat kene ko kene won cause no we gor mi jidin mo dong changa jana charge before loken, but consistency is very important also comedian consistent bi mandano giji cha den no ba dere jaga ba no. Okay, so dun mele dimo gor no bi jere ale ka go bi hati tin sha ma ba chob yina ma ba chob ne how many year ko de tong were right now de ne to wande kan gwar ke je ko online no look at but right now things are coming bena lui na jok kate ku yale ko de shaon ajana gwa ko di bidla consistent ko gamanda na ledi ano mi chage te ke dunu mu gwa mi jige side and then bina mo shi bu goro bi pal bitetin. Okay, go to consistency very important ka social media either a Facebook YouTube TikTok go to jeno bitetin shang cause be man ledi bi kula jak amara dian gwa me watel rami modemo gwade jalat mikan rodo kon jako borenye ke skill jin guri skill you need to level up. Okay, you need to level up ka skill danen dong de dunde lat keje ko rena mitele ji lese in kuju kwen dorka to kwa tongnat kwa to English and ka Arabic ka Amharic cause to me the important language ka de la no English so mito kon gere English let use a channel go ko English bana jangach ko jenan la common language tema we want to lejele jadi please do that me jira mugoro don bitike content one let's say audio ko make a jor use English an audio ka rudian dial kanware ne ton gora boka nwere ka ne ton gora boka nwere so kujemo ba focus ka tongane ka tongnat yo me don te mugora balad ka to English don da lawo don mugoro jeno I want to cross the border don de English de use no ka don da la try English karware ko te mi chalar gur jeno jin bitike niche key project use one thing kel use ni. Okay, mila adol ne tong ne siang kwa adol ne tong ne siang ka ruon ke liu. Okay, ka ruon ke liu kwa adol ne tong ne siang ko ba jigurun bu viral tomorrow. So that is why bikele be pick michi project do atok ki du ki gwijine kamera lora bang bono no mini lerba ka runtong ka pet then binen amen dia ka danan gwe ka na ki min gwijino chanok tomorrow they will like it michi ga ngwan a chi ga ngwan ro then bala mugwa dien gar na jugne chelerin dor ba kam na te denene telam charwaj chinen ka right now dong a millionaire ke billionaire ko chara mo ke kel karwade war ka kon be jamat ko chi ka kon stable ke nyok la kon agoro be kadan ba mal shek ka chi kan mala shek ne diala ti diala gor kan lat so gor a time ana gwa chi lore tet yene diala kon in chira ka gwa dum ki yaro ka ana miti ka question please lam ne ja drop gwa dum bana nyo je kamera dien an wi temal belu njogo yoka wasen be but to ko gwada me ko there are other things to banyo mo walat ngai kone chela yeni chang nodi ti kon ke poro jang to goal we have to do list let kon ke mi to gwada me bue gwada dien ana bitin mandan wi lat bi walat so an ban chon gwada